Downy woodpeckers are the smallest woodpeckers in North America, but don't let their size fool you. They're feisty, acrobatic, and surprisingly bold at feeders. Telling males and females apart? It's actually pretty easy once you know what to look for. Both sexes have black and white striped heads, a white chest and belly, and a black back with white spots. Their overall look is crisp and checkered, classic woodpecker style in a tiny package. But the giveaway is on the head. Males have a bright red patch on the back of the head right on the crown. Females don't. That's it. No red, female. Tiny red cap, male. So next time you see one climbing up a tree or clinging to a peanut feeder, check for that red spot.